Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to check the plagiarism percentage in Grammarly step by step. If you are a student, a writer or a content creator, Grammarly's plagiarism checker can help you make sure that your work is 100% original before you submit or publish it. So let's get into it without any delay. First of all, you need to come here on this link, which is grammarly.com/plagiarism checker. Now, once you come over here, you are going to see this type of box in front of you where you can basically start typing your text, or you can also upload the file or copy or paste the paragraph or the full text. Now, for free, you are going to get 10,000 plus credits, which is a good thing. Previously, this plagiarism checker tool was absolutely paid in Grammarly, but now you can access it absolutely free. The best part is that you don't even need to log in into your account. So let me just show you how it is actually going to work. So as I've told you earlier, you can either just simply copy and paste the text over here, or you can also upload the txt file or the word file over here. So after pasting the paragraphs like this, simply click on the option of scan for plagiarism. Now after clicking on this scan for plagiarism option, it is going to take some time and show you the report of this particular text over here in the right hand side. So as you can see, it is showing me that we didn't find any plagiarism, but we found one writing issue. So currently the text that I've added over here is not plagiarized, but if it is going to show you in the form of percentage or in the form of this particular circle over here in the right hand side. So this way you will be able to basically check the plagiarism percentage in Grammarly very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.